Terminal, I think.
Are we really about to go on the biggest cruise ship in the world right now?
I'm trying to figure it out. Trying to figure this thing out.
It's like, what?
Yes.
No. We're about to get on the wonder of the sea.
Yes.
Everybody has been recognizing our shirts.
Yes. Established 5/17/08.
Oh, hey. So we did our renewal of the vows yesterday, and everybody has
By the
been
way,
saying
it was a party. We had a wonderful time.
Yes. Y'all should see some content. Yeah. But yeah, this is our second honeymoon, guys. After 15 years, so we are excited.
Yes, excited.
They're about to board now. Biggest ship in the world right now.
Right now, as of 2023.
Yep. So y'all stay tuned.
Wash you.
All right, we're here. So number one, I love that they have the deck number under your room number because normally they don't have that. Love it. So they're still getting ready, you know, they're still cleaning rooms, but ours is ready, so let's go ahead and go inside.
All right.
Wow, I love the people.
So you just gotta, when you come in, you put your key inside, but they're working on something right now. All right, so now we're inside the stateroom. We have a balcony boardwalk view. This is the room, really nice and spacious room. One thing that I was reading up on and saw on the other videos was there's multiple outlets. There's outlets all over the place. I mean, European and US, you know. But let's go ahead and go this way. Oh, that's pretty neat. It's magnetic. Yeah, that's neat.
So before it was like a latch, right?
Yeah, it was like a latch. I think it's still a latch, but
So that's a lock, but it's...
yeah, it still locks, but...
Oh, instead of it, does it have a hinge? Okay, it does.
Yeah, I think
But it's a magnet. Okay.
That's pretty neat. We're gonna go inside the bathroom here. Standard size balcony bathroom, well, stateroom bathroom. Let's see here. Oh, now this is big.
Does that feel bigger?
Oh, this is big.
Oh, it's high too.
Oh, this is big.
You got a lot of space. Remember last time you barely had space?
This is big.
Yeah, that's a lot of space in that one.
This is probably one of the biggest
That's spacious.
biggest showers that I've actually been on.
Standard size cabinets. I mean, not cabinets, but standard size. Gosh, what do you call that? Countertop. But yeah, this shower looks really spacious.
Yeah, it's really spacious. That is spacious.
And it's so modern and updated. I love it. What else we got?
So we have one closet here. I like it's two. You know, you can put some stuff here and stuff at the top. It's pretty neat.
2 levels, yeah.
That's pretty neat. So one side, nice size couch. Upstate, I think they can. This couch can be pulled out to a twin.
Yeah, I love.
It's very modern. I
Love this area.
We have another closet here. We can put stuff here in there, but we have another closet. That's pretty nice. It's the closet portion where you can hang up clothes is not as big, but
yeah.
I mean But I see where because you get more.
Yeah, but it's good that you have hang up space there and there,
right,
so you can remember that.
Right. Oh, and this is okay. So this right here is the access point. One of the access points. So if you have the Wi-Fi package, you get total coverage.
Oh, it's stronger in the room.
Stronger in the room. That's pretty neat. Of course, come with a safe. Love this. You got a pretty nice size. Pretty nice size here.
Nice size.
It's there.
Space here.
Got a nice size desk here, which we showed before.
And it looks like this comes on. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice vanity light.
2 USB ports here. You got European outlets. You got a US outlet. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, of course. Got the full length mirror here.
Oh yeah.
Of course, gotta have that.
There's multiple. Oh.
Of course.
Yeah.
Oh, it's yellow. That's cute. Menu. Okay, so they have room service.
That's for your room service. Yeah, so room service is $7.95 per room delivery. So I remember the days when it used to be free.
Yes.
And you can order whatever you want to order, when you want to order, as many times you want to order. But yeah, so you got a lot of cabinets here. And counters and countertops.
What's in this one?
And all that. This right here is your...
That's a mini bar or a fridge? A fridge.
A fridge.
Awesome.
So if you got drinks that you're bringing aboard, you can keep them cool. Nice size TV. Looks like it's maybe like a 47-inch TV. Really nice. And I think you can... I think some of these you're able to... Oh, there we go.
Oh. So
if you have multiple people and they're in here with you, they'll have access to watch the TV too.
I love that it swivels.
That is really neat. Really neat.
This can definitely double as 2 twins, right?
You can. All you have to do is just let your stateroom attendant know that you want this split, and then they'll normally split it, one over here, one over here. So this is the part that really got me, and I really, really, really fell in love with this boat because of this. So each side, of course, has nightstands, but on each side you have an outlet, and a USB outlet. That is really neat.
Very helpful.
Very helpful. And then of course you got some storage space up there. So each side has the same thing, man. you cannot complain or say that there's not enough outlets.
That is hard to find.
That is
surprisingly.
Very surprisingly hard to find.
All right.
And then we have here.
Now I will say it is very little space between here and here, so be careful.
Yeah, just be careful.
Yeah.
And watch your step here.
Yeah.
So nice size balcony here. Come with two standard chairs that you can actually lean back, sit up here.
And this is our first time having a balcony face this way.
Yeah. Usually we have balcony faces that takes the ocean view, but this right here, nice size, nice size in the balcony.
All right, you guys. So that was a little of the room tour. And my husband was just saying he's impressed at the size of this balcony.
Very impressed at how big these balconies are.
Like, I don't know if it's because this is like a curved shape. And I don't think we've ever had like a curved shaped balcony. Of course, you can see that these are like curved shaped.
The other Oasis ships that we've been on, we've always had either interiors or ocean view.
Or ocean view, yeah.
Ocean view cabins. So this is our first time having a balcony on an Oasis.
On an Oasis class ship,
which
yeah.
I think I told y'all in one of the videos that we like to bid on the cabins.
Yeah.
In which we did bid on this cabin and we actually won.
We won the bid.
So we were upgraded to this cabin. So
yep. It is a nice size, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but just the curve of it gives you more space this way. And it's just a really nice view. Of course, the Aqua Show, the Aqua Theater, is this still called the Aqua Theater? Yeah, Aqua Theater is that way. And it's just a great view. And once the boat starts moving, we're going to feel the breeze and everything like that because it is open to the top. But a nice view of the boardwalk.
Check this out. The good thing about this is we still get to see a little bit of the ocean.
Of the ocean, yeah.
It's pretty decent.
Sitting here eating breakfast, you can still see the water, which is great. So I love it. The room is so clean.
Oh yeah.
So clean.
And it's modern.
And it's so modern. And I think it's about a year old. The ship is like a year old at the time of this video. So we are just going to relax. We found 2 of our bags. So it's 2 bags that we're missing, that we're waiting on. And we're just going to relax. So like we said, we did our renewing yesterday. Woke up this morning and got right on the road. So we are tired.
Yeah. I'm working off maybe 3-4 hours of sleep.
Because we were so hyped up from our wedding renewal.
Oh, and I'm still hyped up. Like, oh my God, and it really happened yesterday.
Yeah, it's like surreal. Like, second wedding, wow.
It was very beautiful.
It was so beautiful.
Very beautiful.
And as y'all can see, we have our shirts. We got these. Gosh, when did we get these?
About
a few years ago.
About 2 years ago, I had them made. My cousin, she has a T-shirt business. She made it for us, and I had to put our original anniversary date on there so we can wear them multiple times.
Our wedding
day,
this is
our second time wearing them.
Yeah, second time on a vacation. Yeah. So all right, you guys, that was a room tour. Hope you guys enjoy. Y'all stay tuned. We're just probably gonna check out the boat. Is there anything going on tonight?
Yes, I think I have the Intense show, which I think that's in the
theater.
That's in the ice skating
Studio B. Okay.
I think. I have to go back and look at it.
We hadn't learned the ship yet.
I think I booked that stuff back in 2-3 months ago.
Yeah.
So I have to go back and look at it. But we do have something going on tonight, but I'm going to get a little bit of shut-eye before I officially get started.
Yes. But it's hot, you guys. It is hot.
Oh, yeah.
It's hot today.
Oh, it's hot.
But we are just going to chill out, and you guys stay tuned and see what we do later on tonight. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so it is 2:12 and we have all of our luggage. So that was pretty quick. That was a pretty quick process for us to have all our luggage by 2:12. I don't know exactly what time we pull off, though.
5, I think they said all aboard 4.
4 o'clock, okay.
And then we supposed to take off at like 5.
Gotcha. But yeah, that was pretty decent time. So very pleased with that.
guests who have not yet completed the mandatory guest safety briefing, we ask that you proceed directly to your assembly station at this time. We'd like to remind you that this...
Fried chicken with the honey. Got the fish.
Yeah. No.
Breeze is so nice.
So nice.
So beautiful. What's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
So we wanted to just stop and check in. Hopefully y'all can hear us. But we're in Central Park, just chilling, relaxing, enjoying the vibes.
And the breeze.
Yes.
The breeze is amazing up there.
It is so beautiful out here right now. It's about, what time is it?
7:09.
7:09, and it
Yeah.
looks like this. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
So we,
It's Central Park.
yes. So we found this little area just really off in the cut over here. Just private, just sitting, relaxing until our show starts at what, 8:30?
8:15.
8:15, our show starts, and we're just chilling in Central Park, enjoying the breeze, the views, and just relaxing.
Yeah.
Like we said earlier, yesterday was hectic, so we just need to chill
Yeah.
for a little bit.
Yeah.
Gosh.
A nice wind down after, yesterday. Yesterday was amazing.
Beautiful time.
We had a beautiful time with our family and friends. And, awesome time. Awesome time. Much needed vacation though.
Yes.
Much
So
needed vacation.
definitely, this is our second honeymoon, so we're super excited. So y'all stay tuned. Have little clips of the show later on. Is it an aqua show?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So it's gonna be outside. So yep, y'all just stay tuned.
If it's days like this, it's gonna be amazing.
Amazing. It feels so good. All right, stay tuned, you guys.
All right now.
Drop is literally like 11:30 p.m. and the balloon drop happens at 12 a.m. So we had to stay up and see the balloon drop. That's what we're on our way to see now on the promenade. So let's go.